Shouldn't high school be a time where your child can confirm a passion or choose a different path before you're spending time and money after graduation? In less than 2 months, we've received over 800 applications for students applying to BCIT. In the most recent New Jersey School Performance Report, which looks at test scores, student growth, graduation rates, and attendance, BCIT ranked number 2 and number 4 amongst high schools in the county. You see, education should not look the same as it did 20 or 30 years ago, and at BCIT, it does not. In every career major from healthcare and skilled trades to education, public safety, technology, and the arts, students learn through daily hands-on projects, problem solving, and collaboration that prepare them for both college and career. Experts estimate that AI will affect around 40% of jobs worldwide, automating some tasks and transforming many others. But it is far less likely to fully replace people who care for patients, repair buildings and systems, teach and mentor students, or respond in emergencies. Over 4 years, our students test drive a career path, either confirming their passion or realizing it is not the right fit before college tuition bills begin. No matter which direction they choose, BCIT graduates leave with real skills and a clear next step, especially in an AI-shaped world. If this sounds like the right environment for your child, visit our website, explore our programs, and apply today. We look forward to welcome you and your family to BCIT.